Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Nitish Gupta. I'm in TIIC. I'm working in Mumbai Monorail project. Last 3 years, I have been involved in designing, execution, and testing and commissioning of electrical systems in 2 substations, 2 stations, and Vadala depot. That's the monorail depot we have. And from last 8 months, I have been involved in O&M, operation and maintenance of E&M services. Because we have already executed phase 1 of monorail project. For next years, we have to do the maintenance as well. And so I am involved in this project. I believe learning is a continuous process. Every time we learn something. Right now also we are learning something. I am learning from you, you are learning from me. I made a mistake, I came late and put pen drive with a lot of wires. This was wrong. So next time I will not do this.
Why water is coming inside this monorail cabinets? Yeah, rainy season.
Sorry?
Rainy season.
Yeah.
The cabins are there.
Monorail.
Water is coming inside.
No, it's not in monorail, it's in metro. Sure.
Yes, sir.
It's not in
That
monorail.
was in metro.
Yeah.
The one of the gate was not shut down properly. That was the reason that the rainwater was entering.
I don't know the exact reason about metro, but about monorail, I will disclose one secret. In Vadala depot, in our building, a lot of floors and rooms were flooded with water after heavy rain. So this was the work quality we did, and we tried to improve that. We did a lot of. After that, we spent a lot of money and time to do the correction work. Anyways, I'm from electrical, I'm not from civil. Yes. So, as I'm in O&M department, operation and maintenance.
Next page.
I have not started a presentation yet. It's the next. I'm just introducing
Time has started, boss.
So when I reach here, I'm in O&M department. So we are starting. This is a new department, operation and maintenance for us, for the R&D department. So when I came, I contacted Mr. Marshall, who is looking after the O&M of this building of LDA, whole campus. So I have got a lot of information from him, and hopefully I will implement that there in my project. During inauguration, Dr. Raman from Symbiosis, he told us a very good concept of focus and energy balance. So they showed us one quadrant and told us. So I like that. Like from there, I came to know where I am lagging. I need a role model to self-motivate. I have a lot of focus, but I don't put proper energy in the works. So I will implement that and work accordingly. Soft skills. Soft skills, communication skills, IPS, teamwork. There are a lot of people have said a lot of things about this. Nothing new I have here. The conflict management. I will say only one thing. If I will grow, my team will grow. So I will first implement and follow all the learnings I learned here, and then I will try to do the same with my team. I will teach them, and so that they will also grow. When we will grow, our company will grow, and we will all grow. And, insurance, for the insurance policies, I would like to tell that I will educate every my colleagues, because we are not aware of so many insurance policies we have. Even if we will die, we will get a lot of money. So I will tell this to my subordinates and everyone, even driver as well, because they are also part of these policies. In project management, I will do cost analysis of small works and doing the current works, and accountings and finance statements. Now I am able to understand the financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, and cash statements of L&T and other companies also. I will keep on learning and teaching others. Accordingly, we can,
Yeah, this is a very good thing what he is doing. At least you people should be able to read the balance sheet. Try to understand that what is the profit and loss account and what are the assets, current assets, fixed assets, all those details are there. You should try to learn, or you learn how to read a balance sheet. You can be a chartered accountant and how to prepare it, but you should be able to read a balance sheet. you are developing that skill, it is very much.
Even that's good for even
I appreciate you.
even it will help in improving, if anyone interested in making money in stock market, that is also helping.
You are doing trading also, making money out of it.
Okay, and last but not the least, the third took our session yesterday. That was really very eye-opening session for me. For time management. I used to make a to-do list, but but I was not able to prioritizing. But I was not able to prioritizing my task. So next time I will also prioritizing my task as well, and obviously I will implement and complete works as well.
That's why he's keeping his presentation on the last time.
See, the time management you have to show in project.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And for obviously I will increase my technical knowledge as well. That's also very important. I have been working in L&T for last 4 years. I joined as DAT, but till now I was never read anything. But now I will do and last time I to spend extra time to achieve too much of perfection. That's why I took so long and even I gave my that evaluation in the last action plan. So I will
All the best.
All the time.